What's up guys, welcome to Wayne's Tech Review. For today's video, we will be unboxing the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max 128GB in gold. Well, without further ado, let's get it on. The first thing you'll see is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got it here in gold, and this one is 128GB. Look at that. This is a bit huge compared to the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12. Look at that camera. This is exactly the same camera what you can get in the iPhone 12 Pro. Look at that. Just similar to the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is available in 4 different color options that you can choose from. Gold, which is what I have right now, Pacific Blue, Silver, and Graphite. You will also get the fast charging cable and of course from Type-C to Lightning. Like the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, it doesn't come with a charger. Well, unfortunately, you have to get it separately. In this little box, you'll see the pin ejector, the manuals, and of course the Apple logo sticker. Just for a quick wrap up what you can get when you buy a brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, of course the manuals, pin ejector, the Apple logo sticker, fast charging lightning cable, and of course the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos in the future, please don't forget to subscribe and hit all in the notification bell. Once again, thank you for watching Wayne's Tech Review. See you next time.